Section 8 User Group Management Lecture number 41 User Group Creation. After completing this lecture, you will learn what is user group, how to create user group. Imagine that you have different types of web GIS projects in your GeoServer, and for these different kinds of projects, you have different types of groups with group members. Say, you have project A, project B, and project C in your GeoServer, and for these all projects, you have created three group members, say Group A, Group B, and Group C, and Group A contain person 1, person 2, person 3, and Group B contain person 4, person 5, person 6, and Group C contain person 7, person 8, and person 9. Say you have created these 9 accounts for all of these persons, user person 1, user person 2, all of these 9 accounts. But if we create all of this account, person 1, who is the member of Group A, he can see the project of Group B, and person 6 also can see the project of Group A, which is project A. So how we can separate these all person based on their projects and their group? How we can create a group for a particular members to see their particular project? Say if we create a group in GeoServer which contain person 1 user, person 2, and person 3, so these 3 persons only can view the group project of project A. Another group is group B, which members are person 4, person 5, person 6. They can only view their projects, which is project B. So for this purpose, we need to create group for particular projects which contain particular group members. Is it possible in GeoServer? Yes, definitely it is possible. In GeoServer, we can create user and also we can create groups which contain particular group members for particular project. In this lecture, we are going to learn how to create a group in GeoServer. To create a group, first of all, we need to go Security section. In here, click Users, Groups and Roles. In Users, Groups and Roles page, we have three tabs: Services, Users, Groups and Roles. To create a groups, we need to click Users, Groups tab. Here we have usernames and group names. In this group section, we can create a new group by click Add New Group. In this Add a New Group page, we can create a group by giving a new name, say Group A. Better we use small letter. Now we have to give a role for this group. Say the role of this group will be public. So group members can view the project. I am not going to give edit option for this group, just public user group. We already know what public user can do. After giving the role, now we can click Save. Congratulations, our new group has been created successfully. Here is our group A. So this is the way how to create a new group in GeoServer. Now let's do this in your GeoServer. Create group A, group B and group C. Thank you.